and the continuous innovation of modern manufacturing. The progress of precision machining technology has brought great changes to all walks of life. In particular, the CNC Multi-Spindle Machining Center for double-end milling and turning axle and machining has become a key equipment for improving production efficiency and machining quality with its excellent performance and wide application scenarios. Today, we will explore the comprehensive composition, functions, and wide range of uses of this equipment in depth. The core advantage of this CNC multi-spindle machining center lies in its double-end milling and turning capabilities. This design allows operators to perform multiple machining tasks on the same equipment, greatly improving work efficiency and reducing production time. By integrating high-precision control systems and multi-axis linkage technology, the machining center can ensure extremely high accuracy and repeatability during the machining of complex workpieces, which is particularly important for the demanding aerospace, automotive manufacturing, and precision machinery industries. Regarding the composition of the equipment, the CNC Machining Center uses high-performance spindle components that can provide stable and powerful cutting power, combined with advanced servo motors and precision ball screw transmission systems. The smoothness and accuracy of the machining process are ensured. In addition, its unique workpiece positioning and clamping mechanism keeps the workpiece stable during the processing, effectively avoiding processing errors caused by workpiece movement. In terms of function, in addition to basic milling and turning processing, the machining center can also be equipped with spindles with other different functions to achieve a variety of processing needs. At the same time, the design of the edge calibration mechanism further enhances the adaptability and flexibility of the equipment, enabling it to handle various irregular-shaped workpieces. When it comes to the scope of application, this multifunctional machining center is widely used in machinery manufacturing, automotive parts, electronics industry, and other fields. It can efficiently complete the processing tasks of various metal and non-metal materials from simple to complex. The equipment demonstrates unparalleled processing capabilities and efficiency. In order to further improve wear resistance and extend equipment life, several key components of the machining center are designed to improve wear resistance. This ensures that the equipment can maintain stable performance even under long-term high-intensity working conditions. In terms of the comprehensive composition, powerful functions, and wide range of applications of the CNC Multi-Spindle Machining Center for double-end milling and turning axle and processing, it has become an indispensable and important equipment in modern manufacturing. Whether it is the aerospace field that pursues ultimate precision, or the automotive manufacturing industry that has strict requirements for high efficiency and high stability, this machining center can provide excellent solutions to help companies improve their competitiveness and move towards a higher level of production.